Welcome to our comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the Silonn ice maker and the Free Village Nugget ice maker. Today, we'll dive into their specifications, pros and cons, and help you determine which one is the best choice for your home or office. Let's get started. The Silonn ice maker can produce up to 26 pounds of ice in a 24-hour period, while the Free Village Nugget ice maker boasts a higher capacity of 34 pounds. This difference may be significant for those who require larger quantities of ice for parties or gatherings. The Silonn ice maker produces bullet-shaped ice cubes, which are great for chilling drinks quickly. In contrast, the Free Village Nugget ice maker creates soft, chewable nugget ice, perfect for cocktails and smoothies. Your choice may depend on your preference for ice texture. When it comes to pricing, the Silonn ice maker is considerably more affordable at $109, while the Free Village model is priced at $209. If budget is a concern, the Silonn may be the better option, but consider the features you value most. In conclusion, both the Silonn and Free Village ice makers have their unique advantages. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option with decent ice production, the Silonn is a solid choice. However, if you prefer higher capacity and nugget ice, the Free Village is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.